All right, third case. Like I said, in real time, I just finished the first two cases, but I'm not going to tell you which ones they were because I don't know what kind of order we're going to go in. But here's one thing I didn't account for. It's getting windy, and the rain might come too. That's what you do with springtime in Utah. It's going to be warm one second, it's going to be rainy, possibly even snowy the next. But we're going to see if we can knock this out. So we're going to go quick. This is the F case. I've been filming them in order, but I don't know when I'm going to post them. So I just filmed the D and the E case, and now we're going to do the F case. And we'll try and, like I said, I don't know what order. I think, these and the letters will probably do in order. I'll do the D before I do the others, right? But let's just get to it. F I have not seen. I found E in store, but I have not seen the F case. So a lot of these will be new to me. I think the new Z is in here. I think. I'm not sure. All right. I've got stuff blowing in here, but let's get to it because weather might not cooperate. There is the recolor of the 55 Chevy in red. Haven't seen that yet. Obviously, the first version in blue was also a super treasure hunt. There's the Chevelle SS wagon, which is in the E case, and the La Troca also in the E case. These are all E case residents. The Silvia's the highlight there. Bone Shaker's fantastic, like the Charger too. All of those are good. A86 also we've seen in that case. We haven't seen this recolor. This is the third because there's the Zamac in between of the Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Blue first, then Zamac, now yellow, and this is the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. That looks nice and clean in kind of a candy apple red or cherry red. Is that what you'd say? Okay, Volkswagen Beetle, Arkham Asylum Batmobile. I'm trying to look for the treasure hunt. This is also because there's the Target version of this one, right? So that's the third color of that. And this is the 2020 Corvette, which was a super in the last case, if you were lucky. And I was. All right. Oh, recolor of the Mighty K. First in white. This is a tribute to Ryu. He designed it, and now in pink. Love that. That looks really, really good. Turbo, Honda City Turbo, also a Rio's Ride. That's something that he was way into. That's a recolor there. And there's the Skull Crusher. Here comes the wind. Now that I've done the unboxing, I've opened them. I got to keep going. Bone Shaker. Bubble-matic, and there is the Tribute Honda S2000 in yellow. Fantastic car. We talked about that. We've talked about that quite a bit. Really, really cool casting. All right, Chevy pickup. We've seen that. We've seen all three of these. We've seen the Glory Chaser, and we've seen the AE86 Sprinter. Man, when you start talking fast, you start getting ahead of yourself. Woo! There we go. 55 Bel Air Gasser. This is the Triassic 5 in green. It's like Brendan Viteski's, but you got to recolor these beauties. So he went with the kind of pinkish purple, right? Kind of a rose color. That's fantastic. Nice job, Brendan. That's a highlight. Did I already pick out? Yeah, there's other highlights here, especially the pink color, right? If we get to that. All right, two Cosmic Coupes. And there is the recolor of the tuned Volkswagen Golf Mach 1, MK1, whatever. I think that's a Rio's Ride right there. My beloved Greenwood in the third color. We've seen it in black and then recolored for red edition in red. It might be one of these other cases I'm going to open, and now recolored in green. Any Greenwood, I'm in. Love the Greenwood. There's another Tribute S2000 and the Land Lowrider. This is an unlicensed lowrider, but it is really, really well done. I'll look forward to opening that up, checking that thing out. So that's a new model. All right, Lethal Diesel, Lolux, we've seen it. Oh, there's your regular treasure hunt. Jeep Wrangler. Fitting, I was at Jeep Safari down in Moab this week, so regular treasure hunt Jeep, not bad. I think people will like this one. I think there was a regular treasure hunt Jeep that was red with these wheels as well. You have to go back and look. Several years ago, I remember. It seems like it's kind of an homage to that. All right, rain's hitting. Okay, better hurry. Chevy pickup and the Mazda MX-5 and the Ducati Scrambler. All right, we gotta go. But we're gonna do this. Rain hitting. Ah, there it is. Nissan Z Proto in yellow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A lot of people have shown this one, so I know I'm not the first, but by any means, but that is cool, and that is obviously a highlight. Renin Rig is cool, and the Cardiasada makes a comeback. Okay, another lay-in lowrider, a twinnin' and winnin', and a Barbie Extra. So that's new, right? Wow, that's cool. Little Barbie car. Kind of like the old Barbie Corvette, right? Okay, in the last case, I didn't see this one, but I think this was originally in the E case, but I'm only getting in the F, but no complaints. The Chevy Silverado, very, very popular and very, very cool. Really clean version. Big Air Bel Air, love that in black, and there's the Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Ah, the Civic. Now this is the one, right? This would be the Super, right? If I found it in gold. Is it in there? I'm trying to look. I don't see it. No, we can't be pulling Supers in every case, right? But that is so cool. That's another Rio's ride. That is obviously a Super that I want to get to add to the Rio Asada collection. That is superb, and I will be very happy to add that to the collection, just as the Honda, and then of course I'll try and get my hands on the Super one way, somehow. So there's the Nash, and there's that 2020 Corvette. All right, Roadster Bite, I think that's new. There's another Z, and the Hyper Rocker. Cockney Cab, McLaren F1, we've seen all of these. We have seen the Barbie Extra, which is cool. Ooh, now that is cool. Porsche 935 done in, that looks a little bit of an homage to the, what do they call it? The John, oh, what's that? See, it's what happens when you open and you're not ready. I love that recolor. Love that even more. I'll take that over the red one. Red one was nice, but that one totally wins. Aston Martin Valhalla Concept and the Bogzilla. Lethal Diesel. Oh, Baton Arkham Asylum, but there it is. Ford Sierra Cosworth recolored in blue. That is cool. Digging that one. Nash, Glory Chaser, and the Big Air Bel Air again. And we're making up for lost Silverados because there's another one. And there's the Silhouette and the Valhalla. And to finish off, La Troca, Mazda MX-5 Miata, and the Chevy Silverado. There's the tuned version, so that's also repeated in this case, thankfully. Oh, recolor of the Mazda Ripu in green. That's really clean. I like it with the white mag wheels. That's awesome. Let's go. And the bricking trails. Okay, highlights. There's yellow is the theme here, right? There's your two major highlights to me, but I'm also digging these recolors, and there's your regular treasure hunt. Gotta find that Honda, right? Gotta find that Honda. Thanks, everybody. Bye.